Look at this.
Am I even human? There's some melody towers before. I'm not even used to